Look, it's done. I finished the second panel of my sweater. Girl, you're really making quick progress. Good for you. Wait a minute. What's going on here? These colors are not the same. What am I going to do? Well now, Robin, did you check the die-lot numbers when you bought them? I got them all from the same store. That doesn't matter. But I bought them all at the same time. That doesn't matter either. All 3 labels say mixed berry. Yes, but did you check the die-lot numbers? I picked them all out of the same bin. Now don't try and justify, did you check the die-lot numbers? The colors all looked the same at the store. They matched. They looked like they were identical. Girl, do you remember what the walls looked like when you picked out those paint colors under the fluorescent lights? I mean, come on. You know better than that. OMG, really? You had to go there? Thanks.